I teach PR to other people, whether they're entrepreneurs that are not offering it as a service, or all of you on here now that are PR professionals looking to grow and scale and be more profitable in your business. You can offer other leveraged offers, other services. Like we have social media strategists that offer a way for them to give their process for a social media audit, content creation process. There are so many. I mean, people in my mastermind are teaching people how to clean their house, yes, and making multiple six figures a year passive income. Most of the time they're running automated webinars to content that they created a couple years ago. It's amazing, right? And I'm not here to say that it is like automatic. I've been working at this a really long time. I've been refining my niche, figuring out how to serve my audience. Finding all of you is really hard and expensive. Finding through Facebook ads, through LinkedIn. But I know that when the right people come into Profitable PR Pros or come into my universe, there is something there that's going to meet them where they are and help support them in their business, and they'll stick around for a while, and I can serve them the way that I know how to best. So this allows you to boost revenue. So my main advice to you is, I hope that this gets your wheels turning as a way to inspire you to share your know-how. Like, it honestly blows my mind that we have been able to generate multiple six figures in revenue in my business just based on what I know how to do and giving people a framework so that they can do it too. Honestly, like, one of the greatest honors and gifts in my life has been being able to serve this audience and understand your needs and be able to create things to serve your needs. But think about things that you're passionate about. We have other women in the program that are thinking about doing this and helping people find their first job in business and serve that audience, or figuring out their niche. And rather than, let's say, they can serve local audiences because that's where they're physically based and they serve brick and mortar. Now they can leverage their know-how and offer an opportunity to serve people all over the world who want to promote their local businesses, but they can't physically be there to do it. So that's what a leveraged offer allows you to do. And that allows you to figure out how you can serve these people, what they want to know from you, how you can create leveraged offers, and how you can create something in your business that will allow you to have passive income. Now, I say passive income. I will tell you, this digital side of my business is honestly the least passive income that I've ever made, because we've been figuring things out. But I feel like now we have really dialed this in, and I'm starting to see how I can reach more people, how I can serve more people from all over the world. So think about something along those lines for yourself, leveraging your know-how. And the best way I can recommend is get started before you're ready. Just hit the ground running, figure it out, build momentum, and that brings clarity. And then you'll know what your people want to know from you, because you'll have an audience.